Alright, what's going on, guys? Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com, and today I have an unboxing video for you. Today I'm going to be opening up my latest tool here. It's a Dell XPS 13 Series 9300, and it's the 13.4 inch monitor display. It's a pretty cool tool. Let's get it open. Let's check it out. This is pretty cool here, guys. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. That's neat. Alright, let's get this out of the box here. Use it real slow. Ah, this is cool. Look at this. This is nice. Alright, we'll take this plastic tag. So. Oh, it's magnetic. This is cool. This is a cool case. Oh, this is sleek. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Guys, these laptops are beautiful. One of the reasons why I picked out this laptop is because of its little sleekness. It's a beautiful piece of machine. Beautiful. Here it is here. It's on the back. Okay, you see all the vents. Okay. It's beautiful. It's nice, lightweight. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, awesome. It comes with a dongle. Thank God. Instructional books. Let's see here. Power bricks. And the dongle. Great. Let's see if you guys can see it here. XPS. This laptop is amazing. I'm gonna leave some information on the specs here, and down in the comments, down in the descriptions below. But this is it here. It's nice and sleek. Look how little this thing is. Beautiful, nice lightweight, beautiful packaging. Good job, Dell. Good job. So, guys, this is my first unboxing video. Thanks for checking me out. My name is Shane. HomeBizNetworks.com. Build websites, internet marketing, blogging, SEO, all that stuff. Leave a comment below if you've used a Dell XPS before. I have, in the office. It's a great machine. One of the best products on the market. XPS 13. Thanks for checking out this video. Comment below, guys. Bye.